This is Mark with Brand Source Service and Repair, and today I'm showing you how to change your microwave filters. So first you open the door, and you're going to have two screws holding on your grill assembly here at the top. Remove the screws, which I've already done. You're going to slide your grill to the left towards the door, and then you can access your charcoal filter. These filters just basically filter the air that's blowing from your exhaust on your when you're cooking on your range. And you replace the filter. Sometimes you can wash them, but it's recommended that you replace. Then you have one more set of filters. Some will have one, some will have two. Those are going to be on the underside. And these are your grease filters. And they just pop right out, and these can be rinsed. So that is your microwave filter replacement. Tune in for more content weekly.